Supra versus the muscle truck. Oh yeah. I don't know if he thinks he got it now. He's smiling. He's smiling. Come on, Finnegan, you got this. What do you think? Yeah? You got him or no? Hell yeah, you got this.
I believe in you.
Roadkill! Bro, this is gonna be a fucking race right here, bro. Oh, I can't wait. I love Supers, bro, but I don't know, man. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I guarantee nobody's gonna be able to hear a fucking thing on this video. Keep them waiting. Playing the mind games. That's why I like these guys. Fucking with brains. Give it to them. God, fucking truck. Yeah. Oh shit. You got it. Bro, this is gonna be a fucking race right here. You know he's gonna smoke these tires, dude. Hell yeah. Fuck, I can't believe I watched this shit on TV, bro. You think we're gonna be on TV?
We might.
We're in the fucking pits, bro. I saw the camera go past us earlier. I don't know. I'm a fucking Supra fan, but I'm a Roadkill fan. Who do you think's gonna win? I want to say muscle truck, dude.
I am a Toyota fanboy, bro.
It's the 2JZ versus like the fucking goddamn 454, dude. This is like a motor thing, like fuck. Come on, roast the tires. I want to die on fucking tire smoke. Come on, roast them. Fucking showboating, okay.
Man, a little intimidation right there.
Oh yeah, you're fucked now, bro.
Look how far he went.
Fuck is that halfway through? Damn. Okay. He's not playing.